Educators in Pembina Trail School Division believe that all students can be successful when given the appropriate support and time to meet their unique needs. We know assessment plays a major role in helping us to understand how students think, how they learn, their engagement in learning, and it also helps us to understand where and how we can strengthen our teaching so learning is more robust. Strong Beginnings is an assessment period at the beginning of the school year where we focus on understanding our students as learners, particularly in the areas of mathematics, reading, and writing. As each year begins, teachers routinely gather insights about important aspects of student learning through observations, conversations, learning activities, quizzes, and student reflections of their interests and learning preferences. The focus in these first few weeks of school is to create a strong beginning for every learner. We recognize that to be successful and valuable, these first assessments must be a positive experience for the learner, and especially with reluctant and struggling students, conversation and shared learning experiences, which focus on discovering what the student already knows and which build trust and support self-esteem, must be the foundation. Teams of teachers, whether school-based or grade level, determine the assessment activities for Strong Beginnings. Divisional tasks based on our current curriculum and recent research have been developed as resources. Many of the Strong Beginnings assessment activities can be done in large or small groups during class time. To support teachers and students, Pembina Trails has also designated 2 conference days in the 3rd week of September, during which students attend school by appointment. During this time, teachers are able to probe and question at a deeper level through individual conferences and diagnostic assessments. This work to make student thinking visible is invaluable to engage, scaffold, and provide targeted learning experiences for students right from the very beginning of the year. The quantitative and qualitative assessment data from Strong Beginnings is used for a number of purposes. The primary purpose is to obtain information to use in planning appropriate instruction and to confidently answer the question, where do I start? Based on the evidence collected about student learning. This assessment for learning builds on student strengths. Strong Beginnings also provides an opportunity for assessment as learning, where students can reflect on their learning, talk about what they know, how they learn best, and what their learning goals are. This can provide the perfect start for a growth portfolio and the beginning of a collection of student work samples for the year. Sometimes data is collected by school teams to assist in planning for professional learning and setting school-based goals, or to track student progress over time. The information collected during Strong Beginnings is only as valuable as its impact on informing the learning which follows. Knowing where students are beginning is the first step. However, it is our responsibility to translate this information into learning activities which will scaffold and challenge all students, setting the stage for academic success for each of our learners.